Ever wondered how the world of online shopping works? How does a product from a distant warehouse end up at your doorstep? Let's take a moment to ponder this marvel of modern technology. It's a typical day, and you're sitting comfortably at home or perhaps in a cozy coffee shop, browsing through an endless variety of products from all around the globe. It's almost like magic, isn't it? One moment, you're just looking at a picture of a product, and the next, it's right there in front of you. This is the world of e-commerce. It's a bustling, ever-evolving marketplace that never sleeps. No matter where you are, no matter what time it is, you can buy almost anything you want, from a tiny needle to a massive piece of furniture. The world is literally at your fingertips. E-commerce has transformed how we shop, providing unparalleled convenience and choice. It's a global phenomenon that's bringing the world closer, one click at a time. Well, it's all thanks to e-commerce, a global phenomenon that has revolutionized shopping. So, what steps does a product take from being just a picture on your screen to becoming a tangible item in your hands? Think of e-commerce as a journey, a well-choreographed dance of digital and physical elements working in harmony. Let's break down this journey into 4 simple steps. Step 1. It all starts with you, the customer, browsing through a plethora of products on an e-commerce platform. You're looking for that one item that catches your eye, that fulfills a need or simply brings you joy. Once you've found that special something, you select it, effectively kickstarting your e-commerce journey. Step 2. You add your chosen product to your online shopping cart. It's like you've picked an item off a store shelf and placed it in your trolley, but in the digital world. This virtual cart is your personal space where you can review your selection before moving to the next step. Step 3. You proceed to checkout and make the payment. This is where the magic of technology really shines. You see, e-commerce platforms employ state-of-the-art encryption methods to ensure your payment information is secure. It's like a digital lockbox, keeping your data safe from prying eyes. You can pay using various methods: credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets, or even cash on delivery. And finally, step 4, the delivery process. Once your payment is confirmed, your product embarks on its journey from the warehouse to your doorstep. It's like a relay race, passing through various checkpoints: packaging, dispatch, transit, and finally, delivery. Throughout this process, you can track your product's journey, giving you peace of mind. So there you have it, the e-commerce journey in a nutshell. It's a combination of your choices, technological advancements, and logistical prowess, all coming together to bring your desired product from a virtual image on your screen to a tangible item in your hands. E-commerce is not just about buying and selling. It's a well-orchestrated symphony of logistics, technology, and customer service. So, what have we learned about e-commerce today? We've taken a deep dive into the world of e-commerce, understanding how it's revolutionized the way we buy and sell products. We've journeyed through the step-by-step process of setting up an online store, highlighting the importance of user-friendly design and easy navigation. We've also touched upon the vast array of digital marketing strategies available to reach your target audience, and how these can drive traffic to your online store and increase sales. We've emphasized the importance of customer service in e-commerce and how it can make or break your online reputation. Moreover, we've shed light on the significant role of security measures in e-commerce. These measures are in place not only to protect businesses, but also to ensure the safety and privacy of customers, fostering trust and reliability in the digital marketplace. E-commerce is indeed a marvel of the digital age, transforming the way we shop and interact with the world of commerce. It's like having a global marketplace at your fingertips.